In example 1, we're going to solve the inequality, verify the solution, and graph the answer on a number line. So my inequality is 6.2 is less than or equal to x minus 4.5. Well, I know the opposite of subtracting 4.5 is adding 4.5. And whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. That makes a zero pair, and I get 10.7 is less than or equal to x. Now the x is on the right-hand side. I prefer to have it on the left for graphing. So if I switch it around, don't forget your less than or equal to has to also switch to become a greater than or equal to. So 10.7 is less than or equal to x. That means x is greater than or equal to 10.7. I'm going to verify that. So I'm going to choose a number for x. I'm going to say x is equal to 11 because I know 11 is greater than 10.7. 6.2 is less than or equal to 11 minus 4.5. I've just substituted 11 in where the x was. 6.2 is less than or equal to, when I work this out, 11 minus 4.5 is 6.5, and 6.5 is the bigger number, so 6.2 is less than or equal to 6.5. I'm going to graph my solution, so I'm going to put numbers on my number line. And again, keep it straightforward. I know that 10.7 would be somewhere in between 10 and 11. Because I'm using my less than or greater than or equal to sign, I'm going to put a solid dot there. So you've got to fill in that dot, make it a solid one. And I'm going to shade to the right because it's greater than. And that's the solution for that inequality.